Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to go over how to get a driver's license in Texas. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to do a driver's ed course. So there's a website called Aceable. Go there and scroll down to the part where it says driver's ed and click that. And then you're going to find Texas on the list. Go ahead and click that. And it's going to bring you to a little page where you say choose your course. And then there are two options. There's the Texas Parent Taught Driver's Ed and the Texas Adult Driver's Ed, depending on your age. And they are priced. One's going to be $75 and the other is $39.95. So you're going to choose which one you want best. And then next, you're going to look for the DPS for Texas. I just Googled it here. And right underneath the main title, there is a driver's license page, so click that. And it'll bring you to the driver's license section of the DPS of Texas. Now, down over here to the right, it says driver's license requirements. Go ahead and click that, and it'll bring you to a page with all of the requirements needed for, U.S. Residency, car, insurance, all that sort of stuff. So you're going to need to read through that, make sure that you are approved to get a driver's license. And then over to the right side of the screen, you can actually schedule an appointment to go to the DPS office and take the test. It's going to give you information here. If you scroll down, there's going to be a button that says schedule a driver's license appointment. You click that, and it'll bring you to a page, English or Spanish. And from here, you can fill out your form, schedule an appointment to get your driver's license in Texas. And with that, we've completed the steps needed for signing up to get a driver's license in Texas. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. And as always, please like and subscribe.